Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send messages on Tinder using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, swipe right to like someone. You can also send messages to people you have matched with. If they swipe right on you too, it's a match and the chat option will open. Then tap the chat icon at the bottom of the screen to see your messages. Select the person you want to message. This opens the conversation screen. Now type your message in the text box at the bottom. Keep it simple and friendly. Then hit the send button. Finally, wait for reply and continue the conversation. Be polite, keep the chat fun and don't spam. The goal is to get to know the person naturally. And that's it. That's how you can send messages on Tinder. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.